Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing revenue-focused topics advertisers pay for. That improves CPM and RPM. Plan videos at 6-12 minutes to unlock mid-rolls and boost watch time. Once done, structure 3 monetizable segments: a strong hook, deep value, and a direct CTA. This keeps viewers watching and increases ad impressions. Make sure to script transitions to reduce drop-off. You want sustained audience retention because RPM is driven by impressions and watch quality, not just upload frequency. You now optimize for ad value and viewer engagement. Use retention graphs to cut low-performing segments because every second retained increases effective ad inventory. Once trimmed, enable mid-rolls for videos over 8 minutes and place 1-3 breaks where retention stays high. Make sure to target high-paying keywords in title and description and craft thumbnails that raise CTR without misleading. Also, prioritize longer session value. If your video keeps viewers on YouTube, advertisers pay more, lifting RPM across your channel. You finish by scaling what works and monitoring metrics closely. /B test thumbnails and titles and track RPM weekly and by video so you can replicate winning patterns. Once a format proves high RPM, batch produce similar episodes to compound revenue. If RPM drops, troubleshoot. Inspect ad category shifts, watch for demonetization tags or audience demographic changes, and account for seasonality. Finally, make incremental changes and measure. Small optimizations compound into a sustained RPM increase when you stay consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.